Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to enable phone GPS on Fitbit Charge 6. So let's get started with a quick and straightforward guide. So the first thing to do, which is step 1, is to open the Fitbit app. So launch the Fitbit app on your iPhone or Android, then make sure your Bluetooth and location service are turned on. Then on step 2, you have to tap on your profile icon. So to do this, in the top left corner, tap your profile icon, then select your Fitbit chassis from the list of devices. Then on step 3, you have to go to GPS settings. So to do this, scroll down and tap on GPS settings, then select the phone GPS instead of built-in GPS. Then on step 4, you have to sync your device. So return to the device page and tap sync now to apply the changes. Then on step 5, you have to start a GPS activities. So on your chassis, swipe to exercise, then choose the activity like run or bike. Then your chassis will now use your phone's GPS for tracking. And that's how you can simply enable phone GPS on Fitbit chassis. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.